Hi friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. In this video session, we will learn how to create HTML iframes. So in this video session, we discuss about iframes. Iframes means in order to create nested web pages, we can use iframes here. A page within the page we can create using this iframes. So we discuss about HTML iframes. So the iframe tag defines that it is an inline frame that contains external object including the other web pages. To create using internal web pages. That means nested web pages. A page within the page, we can use this HTML iframes. This HTML iframe tag defines that it is an inline frame. It is an inline frame that contains external object, including the other web pages also. And in order to create a nested web pages, we can use this iframe here. So iframes, we can use a syntax like syntax for iframes. We can write iframe, src. Here we can write file name here. We can write file name that we can call it as a resource path. We can give the resource path, and inside of iframe we can use the title. So title is the tag which will display the title of the iframe. That means it is for the screen readers. So this is for the screen readers. Here you can write some text here. So if you click this one, this might go to this next page, like something message we can write inside of the title. And the iframe close. Like this, we can create iframes in the HTML. So let me take an example. We go to this Visual Studio, Control N to create a new program, Control S to save this one. So here we can write iframe.html. Click on this. Now, so use the shortcut Shift and exclamatory and click on this enter. We get a program and remove this meta tag. So right now we don't want this meta tag. And change the title to the iframe. Next, here take the comment. Now you can write the syntax iframe. So iframe having the iframe border. So we can also write iframe border 0. And here you can also write the title. You can also write title. That is optional. So the iframe we can provide the src. The src I told you that we can place resource path. Resource path is nothing but file name here. So the file name. In the last previous class we discussed about HTML unordered list file. So I just write unordered list.html. So we can check this one whether it is exist or not. So here we have unordered list. The same file name I'll just given here. List.html. Now So we also have index here. Let me run this one on the browser. Right click. So for running this in the browser, just you can install here, open in browser. Just install this. Just remove here. Now you can run. Right click. So we can run this. Now, so we can run this one on the browser. Right click, opening other browser, select this Chrome. Now look at this one. So I place the output here. So this is one web page. In the web page, we can place another web page. And here, we can also provide some height and width. So just increase the width. So the width I'll just give 500. Height also. Height I'll just give 300. Now go to this browser, reload this page. Look at this one. So place this type. So this is an inline element. So we can also take one more iframe. I just copy this one. Now here, instead of order list, I'll take the index.html. Let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Now look at this one. So you can place desktop web pages inside of another web page. So like this, we can use the iframes in the HTML. The iframes, we can use the target attribute. We can use the target attribute. Suppose I'm taking this anchor tag. So like this, we can use the iframes in HTML. So this is the syntax for iframe. So like this, we can create iframes in HTML.